Alright, welcome back. Got a video here. So somebody decided it would be a good idea to smash my window out of my truck, sitting in the parking lot. There's the window, all smashed. The tent held it together, which was nice. So it came out in one piece, hardly any glass anywhere. But yeah, so that kind of sucks. So I gotta replace a window here. Out of that truck back there, it's a roller. So now that that's smashed out, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do an upgrade. So let me show you. Alright, so here's what I got. It's an alarm system for a car. I've never installed one of these. Don't know how good this one's gonna be. I mean, the remotes are super high quality. They're actually metal, not plastic. But it seems to be pretty high quality. It's a very daunting thing looking at alarm systems because there's so many different options, so many different price ranges, and they have so many features. I wanted something simple. All it is activate and deactivate, and just very simple. This one seems to be pretty simple, but it's also got a lot of features that if you want to use them, you can. But this one's got does a shock sensor. It's got a microwave sensor, and then a sensor for your doors if somebody opens them. So basically, the shock sensor is if somebody smashes a window or bumps the vehicle, or too much vibration. The microwave sensor is if they do happen to get inside somehow and don't set off the alarm, the microwave sensor will detect that they're in there and set the alarm off. And then obviously your doors. So we're gonna install this so that if somebody decides they want to smash the window, again, this will alarm and let people know that somebody's doing something they shouldn't. So we'll see. I don't know how high quality this one is. I mean, it was like $35, I think, or $30. But it seems to be pretty decent. So I had good reviews. So we'll see. We'll hook this all up, and I'll walk through that process, and then I'll let you know how I like it and how it works and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. So as to, the videos have been slow lately. I've been sick. That was a big one. Like fever, in bed, kind of sick. And then also went on vacation, and it's just been busy couple of weeks. A lot of crazy stuff going, obviously, because somebody smashed my window. So been kind of slow on the videos, but there'll be a few more coming here relatively quickly. So a lot of changes, a few things I got going on. So stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I got a couple coming on the Ford, and obviously this one on the Dodge, and then there'll be some big upgrades to the Dodge and the Ford both here pretty soon. So stay tuned for those and stuff like that. So but yeah, I'll get to installing this alarm system, and we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, got the window back in here. It is tinted. It's not as dark as that one. It's a different kind of film. I think this is just a dyed. That's more, it's got a greenish color to it, but that's more ceramic. That's the ceramic. It's actually brown. It's not green. Camera makes it look green. This is just like a dyed tint. This is cheap. So we're gonna have to get this stripped and redone. The window's not too bad to replace. It's just 2 bolts to hold it in, or 2 nuts to hold it in there. So on an intact window, you have 2 of these like this, 1 nut here, 1 nut here. You take it off, you slide your window to the side, and then you can pull it out. It's pretty easy. So now we're going to get on to putting the alarm system in. Alright, so we get started here. Mounted the alarm, like the speaker, down here, just on the fender, pointed down. Keep water out of it, so if water gets in, it just runs back out. So I got that down here. I'm going to run my my alarm off this junction box here. Keep it nice and neat. So the power for it will come off of here on a fuse, go inside. But here, there's only a couple sensors, just these two sensors, and then your box, your harnesses, and then your main wiring harness. So it looks like it should be pretty self-explanatory. The directions kind of suck. So I mean, it's got directions for the microwave sensor and how to set that up, and then everything else. So get started on that. Alright, so I got the alarm system in here. The microwave switch is mounted down there. The box is just hanging right now, and then my shock sensor is right there. I'm going to show you how this works. Works pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. Right there is the LED that flashes when it arms. Alright, get the remote. Okay. So if we hit the unlock button, it's unlocked, unarmed. This particular one will arm itself after 15 or 25 seconds, I think it is. So it's armed. Now, I haven't hooked up the wire harness for the door switches, but if I bump it, hold on. Well, now it doesn't do it, right? But anyways, normally it works, but if you stick your arm inside, it works. That's the microwave sensor that went off. So it should arm itself. There it goes. So there you can see just the shock of the door shutting. Sets the alarm off. That's not the door switch. Well, I still gotta hook that up. That's this wire right here. So I gotta figure out, still trying to figure out, you probably can't read it, but how to hook everything up. You got the door switch is one of them. There's the engine cutoff port, which I don't know if that's the, hold on, undo this or I'll be setting this alarm off all the time. So there's the engine cutoff, which I don't know if that's for killing the engine, and then there's one that's called ACC, which I'm not quite sure what that is, and then there's a brake pedal. So I'm assuming if you hit the brake pedal, it goes off. If you open the door, it's going to go off, and then the accessory, I don't know. I gotta mess around with the wires and see which wire will disarm if you turn the key on. That's what we're working on. But so far, I got all the lights flashing: tail lights, headache lights, cab lights. I don't think the third brake light does, but these do. So I'm gonna mess around with that and then come back. All right, so we got everything installed. The box is, it's hard to see it, but it's tucked up. You can just see the corner of it right there. It's tucked behind this panel. Wires are all tucked up. Sorry, the air compressor was going. So what you do is you pull your door switch out, and on the Dodge there's 3 wires. There's going to be a hot, a ground, and then an open that just doesn't have anything. So you take your ground and you hook one wire up off of the alarm system to the ground and one to the power. and that's all you do there. You hook one wire to your brake pedal, so if someone hits the brake, alarm goes off. So once the door shuts, it's pretty cool. It will let you know that it's ready to arm after 10 seconds. All lights will flash 3 times. So you got your arm, disarm. If you disarm it and then wait 25 seconds, the alarm will rearm itself. So it just rearmed itself. So it's all working. Works good. Like if you stick your arm in here, it sets it off. If you shake the vehicle too hard, it sets it off. Open a door, sets it off. Hit the brake pedal, sets it off. So yeah, works pretty good. I like it. High quality remotes and everything. Kind of exceeded my expectations. The directions do kind of suck, but the only thing I didn't know was the ACC power, what you hook that to. So I hooked that to the radio. So either you key it off or you key it on, and the radio comes on. You know, like the key, turn the key back, and the alarm system will deactivate. The only thing that annoys me is if your door is open. Everything flashes for 30 seconds, which is kind of stupid. Unless you shut the door and it stops. But like, if I'm sitting inside and I arm it, you can see the sensor flashing. And if you move, it goes off. So overall, definitely happy with it. This is the brand. Got it off Amazon. It's like 35 bucks. Definitely worth it so far. We'll see how it does, you know. This is to kind of protect my vehicle, because I already had a window broken, so I don't need any more issues. You know, I kind of want it to, the alarm to go off to let somebody know. So, thanks for watching. I know it's a bit boring and I've been really busy of late, but, trust me, I got some videos coming. There's been big shop upgrades. So, I mean, you see I'm in the process of putting hoists in, getting equipment. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and catch you in another video.